Hi everyone, welcome to our Prep Insta. So as of guys, already TCS All India NQT hiring for 2026, 2025 and 2024 is already started. And yesterday we came to the live and a lot of doubts we have got from the students. And also some of the people are unable to apply in a proper way. So that's why we are coming up with this video, the complete registration process for the TCS NQT 2026. So without any further delay, let's dive into the registration process end to end. Watch this video so that you will never get any confusion while you are registering for this examination and you don't feel any difficulties. On the screen, you can see the registration starts from 18th Feb and the registration end is 20 March. Whenever the registration was started 2 days back, a lot of people are applying in the TCS Next Step portal. So that's why there is a huge traffic on the page, and for a lot of people, page is not working due to overload. So from today onwards, the bandwidth for the website is got little bit increased. So a lot of people can apply now. And when you click on apply now button, it will redirect to the TCS Next Step portal. And still you can see we are experiencing a heavy load. So I will try for multiple times. Whenever it is back, I will start you guys how to apply for this. So let's see how to apply for this. So you can see a apply now button here. If you click on that, next step portal will be open. So sometimes due to traffic also it might be open immediately. So try for 1 or 2 times and you will get to this page. And if you are already a registered candidate, you can click on the register now or like log in here. Or if you are a new user, click on the register now. So for example, if I click on login, here in the login section, you can have to enter your email ID or reference ID and the captcha here, and you can request for the OTP and you can log in. For example, if you are already previous year batch students like 2023, 2024, 2025 batch students, here login is the approach for you. And the new candidates who are applying this year, and if you are a new candidates guys, please click on the register now here. And under this, you have to select the information technology, which is nothing but IT, and click on the continue. Okay. So here you need to enter your personal email ID. Don't apply through your college email ID. So I am entering my personal email ID here. So just let me copy and I can do that. And I requested for the OTP. So OTP is sent to the email ID. So let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes, guys, and you will get the mail from the TCS. Just keep refresh your email IDs. So I got the OTP 139023. So I'm pasting here and I am submitting the OTP. So the OTP email ID is verified. Let's click on the continue. And they are asking for the Aadhaar card number and other details. So please enter that. So I am entering the details. So date of birth I am entering like, for example, 2004. And first name Mohan and last name KTK. Agree. So read all the instructions, whatever they are providing. Click on agree button and continue. So here you need to enter the personal details as well. Under the personal details, select your title, and also we have entered all the details earlier. So you have to enter your mobile number. So here I am entering my mobile number. So after entering the phone number, enter your phone number, email ID properly. Okay. So all the information will be depends on your email ID and phone number. Next, go to the institution. So you can choose any institution which is listed here, or you can type. For example, I am typing, for example, JNTU, Kakinada. Okay, you can select here if it is listed. If it is not listed, you can choose the others and you can enter the name also. And when coming to the qualification, you have to select your qualification. So if it is a BTech, BE, MTech, ME, you can choose. Yeah, he is a Bachelor of Technology. And next I am choosing, I am a 2026 password batch. And also here I am entering the captcha they would like to enter. And I click on register. So they're asking for whether this email ID and phone number are valid or not. So if those are valid, just click on yes and confirm. And here there is a one thing you need to take care, guys. Okay, the CT number is created for you. Just copy that for further use. Okay. And also please take this note. Why? Because the server is too much busy. A lot of people are unable to fill the application form for the new users. So that's why TCS is saying apply for the drive option will be visible only to the eligible candidates. You are expected to complete your TCS application form later. So you can apply it later, which is nothing but TCS application form you can fill. For example, your academic details, your experience details, everything you can update later. First, apply for the drive, and once you got selected, you can do that. So even in the instructions in the application process, also they said. So we have logged into the TCS Next Step portal and we have registered and apply for the drive. See here, guys, in scenario A and scenario B, if the user is already registered, you can directly log in into the IT category and apply for the drive. And section B, which is nothing but scenario B, is nothing but if you are new user, register now, choose the IT, and proceed to fill the your details. It is mandatory to click on apply for the drive option to complete the registration. See, the application form can be filled after the test results are declared. For example, select the skill on which you wish to evaluate, select the in center and apply, and kindly note the allocated test center will be depend on test center availability, and select three reference locations, and to confirm the status check the track application status will be reflected as apply for the drive. So which means some people are not getting fill the application form. Don't worry, apply for the drive first, and after that you can fill the application form after the results declaration as well. Okay. So for example, again I will re-click here and I will enter my CTDT number. So I think I will get through email already. So CTDT number I didn't get. Okay. Let's log in through our email ID. You can enter either email ID or reference ID, right? So 88407 to get a CTDT number through to email, it will take some time, and sometimes you need to see all the mails also. So we didn't get. Still, we are requested for the OTP, and we are waiting for the OTP to come. So due to server busy, it will take some time. So see, we got the second OTP also. So copy that and paste it here and click on login. You can able to log in here. So guys, if you carefully observe on the left hand side, we haven't got home, and next there will be icon called enter your details or fill the application form, but it is not enabled yet. Even though you can apply for the drive directly, and once it is the icon is enabled, or after the test results also you can apply here. Okay, so the skills you have to enter is select the skill, and even I will show you the screenshot on the screen. You can see on the left hand side, you can able to see the enter the personal details. You can enter. Okay, so due to the server issue, now they are not doing it. They are preferring to the apply drive first. So click on that and select the skill whatever you like to. For example, there are given a lot of skill set here. So I would like to go with Python. So I clicked on Python. After that, you have to select any three preferred three test centers. So when you click on here, state wise different centers are given in the list. So you have to select among them. For example, first I will select Andhra Pradesh Rajahmundry. Second center I will select Vijayawada, and third center I would like to select, for example, Visakhapatnam. Then followed by you have to select any of the preferred job location. So for example, I select first Hyderabad, next Bangalore, next followed by, for example, any random location, whatever you like. Okay, so any of these three locations will be your working area. So you can see apply for the recruitment drive, and you have successfully applied for the TCS recruitment drive. We are pleased to inform you that your application for the recruitment has been submitted successfully. Your next step is wait further updates. You have to wait for the further updates. So, like through email ID, you will get all the details of the examination and all. And if you click on my track my application, you have registered and you have applied for the drive. So after some time, you can able to see here the personal details icon on the left hand side as you see on the screen. Okay. For the some people are appearing instantly. So for some people it is taking time. So don't worry. On the left hand side, you can see the personal details and you have to fill all the details across the 10th, 12th and academic, which is nothing but graduation. And if you have experience, put the experience, everything and submit the details. Okay. So this is how you need to apply for the drive. So when you go to the track my application, those two need to be appear. If those two didn't appear, like for example, you can see on the screen that applied for the drive. If it is okay, then you are applied. So all the best, guys. This is the for this video. From tomorrow onwards, we can plan for TCS marathons. So please comment below in this video if you want preparation plan videos or not. Thank you so much. See you guys in the next video.